morning, my friends, and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is having a wonderful day today and you've managed to get quite a few things done. However, if you're just tuning in and you haven't gotten everything completely done yet, then I'll be glad to help you and to give you that extra push and lots of cleaning motivation for you to finish what you had started. Today in this video, we'll be cleaning up my entire dining room area, tidying up a few things here and there, and setting up for Valentine's Day. Now, I know I had mentioned in the last video that I couldn't find quite a few things that I wanted, but for the amount of times I kept going back to the store just to find Valentine's, which clearly shows in that mess that I was cleaning up against the wall off of the floor. It was all the bags and tissue paper from TJ Maxx, Ross, Home Goods, Marshalls, you name it, all of the stores, which I was able to find a few more cute things too. So I cannot wait to share that with you guys while we're straightening up my dining room area. So if y'all are ready to tackle this mess with me, let's get started. Definitely lots of random stuff here and there to put away from Chris, my kids, or of course myself, because this family can easily get distracted and move on to something else or have something else to work on. However, I'll just have some stuff laying around or sitting in certain areas for days that you've seen a little earlier in this video because I'm going through it and deciding whether or not if I need it. I say that because after my mom is done cleaning her house, my mom likes to bring her stuff over and ask me if the kids and I need it, or sometimes she'll hand the kids stuff without telling me. Then I'm like, where did you get that? We got it from Grandma. Ah, we don't need that. We don't need it. Does y'all's parents do that? They clean their house and then check with you seeing if you want something, because clearly when you do it to yours, they have to see what you're getting rid of. Anybody? No? Just my mom? Now don't get me wrong. My mom is awesome, and I think that's so sweet of her to think of me before she does anything else with it. Although then I'm staring at it in my house for a few days going, do I really need this? Why did I even say yes to it? Is it really going to help me? It's not even farmhouse. Then before you know it, I am decluttering and putting it in the donation pile anyways, because if I haven't used it before, I'm probably not going to use it now, but I can definitely bless someone else with it. I'm sure all of you have lots of questions still and are wondering about my food pantry because of the obvious mess that I'm still cleaning up here from time to time. Well, if you follow me on Instagram, I have officially made the update on February 5th of the progress to my food pantry. So if you haven't seen it, please head over to my Instagram, Mrs. Jessica Savage, and make sure you follow us there as well for updates. You definitely would see updates and photos there first before I make the announcement here on YouTube. However, I can now share it with you guys here. What was supposed to be 2 months in the making has officially come up on almost a year. To be happy to say that tomorrow is hanging the shelves in the food pantry day. I cannot wait. Oh my gosh, you guys. So the pantry is done from wall to the floor, and all the trim is on. Everything is good to go. All we have to do is measure for the shelves, then stain the shelves and mount them to the wall. Then I can record finally putting my organizational ideas to work. After taking that photo, I just couldn't believe the work that Chris and I have done to this food pantry, the progress we've made, and all we have left to finish. So you guys, I hope it was worth the wait, because this video, I'm looking to have it up and scheduled in 2 weeks. 2 weeks from now. So make sure to have your notification bell on and set to receive all notifications, because you definitely don't want to miss this video.
Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow, you got something on your mind.
Oh yeah, that reminds me. I've mentioned to you guys about this a little while back, but a few things have changed and I just wanted to give you a little update. This table, this farmhouse table, remember how I said I was going to give this table an entire makeover with the chairs and the bench included? Well, I've decided, and to make it easier for the kids because I just hear too many little voices complaining about their butt hurting while they are sitting on the chair, I'm going to sell all of the chairs to include the bench. Of course, keeping the table to still do the makeover I had planned for it, but selling off the rest to get these chairs. Let me see if I can find a picture for it. Ah, there it is. Here are the chairs that will go in the middle, 2 on both sides, and keep in mind that the legs are going to be painted white. Couldn't find any with white legs. And then here are the chairs that will go on the ends, and of course will have white legs as well. Yep, so we settled with those, and we settled on making the top a grayish, bluish color of the farmhouse theme, and then the rest of the table is white. What do you guys think? I think it's going to turn out real nice, and then of course the curio cabinet behind the table is going to be all white as well, and we'll be doing lots of changes to that.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night.
Alright you guys, it's time for our first setup for Valentine's Day. Every time I'm decorating stuff, I have to have carnations. They smell so nice, open up so full, and I feel like they last so much longer than other flowers do. Next we have our beautiful candle and our cute little heart-shaped dish that I got from Home Goods. These were my awesome finds, you guys. Then last but not least, I found these cute little gnomes from Walmart, and honestly, these are the same gnomes that I used in my Christmas decorating, which also seem to go with this. You can already tell that we've used this candle a couple of times before I was able to record this video. This candle, you guys, just smelled so good, and I'll be sure to show you the front of it after showing you how this little setup turned out. Again, I found it at Home Goods, so I hope you can find it too. It's by Cloud9, and it's called Bergamot Rose and Musk. It's a nice, clean, soft scent, and I absolutely love how it smells. Oh, these lollipops that I've added here into the dish has really enticed my kids to start eating all of their dinner. No joke. They'll always ask me, how much do I have to eat to get a lollipop from that dish? I would tell them, all of your dinner. Then before you know it, right before my eyes, they've eaten all of their dinner just to have that lollipop. So ladies, parents, moms and dads, want to make sure that your child eats all of their dinner? Put a bowl of candy in front of them and truly tell them what it's for, and they'll do whatever you want just as long as you have that bowl filled and sitting right in front of them. Okay, you guys, remember how I was talking about my entry table in December, which was the one in the living room next to the entertainment center, and I was deciding on what to do with it? Well, here it is in the kitchen up against the wall next to the French doors, set up as my new coffee bar. What do you guys think? It honestly looks great in here, and it definitely filled up the dining room after we moved it over here. It felt like the dining room was missing a puzzle piece, and this just filled the hole when you would stand in the kitchen looking out the French doors, you know? You had the curio cabinet on the left, table in the middle, and something just needed to be set up on the right side of the wall, and this just completed everything. So this is what we have so far, and in due time we'll be doing a little more to this space, and we'll be painting this entry table white. Now that we've cleaned up the table, this will be the next area that we're going to be decorating for Valentine's Day. So I'll go ahead and set this all up, let you guys enjoy each little piece that I put out, and then I'll tell you where I got everything. This turned out so cute, you guys. I hope y'all liked it. The white heart tray with the hearts inside of it, the red canister with the white hearts on it, and the mug gnome Be Mine was all from Home Goods. Then the pink heart straw holder was Dollar Tree, and the straws are from Amazon.com. Hope you guys enjoyed this little clean with me so far. I'm truly glad to have you guys here. You guys mean so much to me, and I'm always looking forward to your love, likes, and comments that you leave for me on a weekly basis. I just love reading all the nice things you have to say, or if you're new, or have been following me for a while, or that I have just made your day today. It truly motivates and inspires me to do so much more for you guys, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. Remember to subscribe to my channel so you can help me get closer to my goal, because I'm actually only 60 subs away from 700, you guys. Isn't that awesome? Oh man, I cannot wait, and I cannot wait to have so much more of you guys join our YouTube family. We'd be so happy to have you here, and we'd be very happy to have you over on our Instagram as well. So after you subscribed, head over to my Instagram, Mrs. Jessica Savage, and follow us there as well. We'd love to get to know each and every one of you, and if you love cleaning, decluttering, organizing, makeovers, renovations, DIYs, and a little bit of the farm life, then you're definitely in the right place, and we'd hope that you'd stick around for a while. Thank you guys so much for being here. I bet y'all are wondering if we really suck up anything from these floors. Well, here you go, because we truly do. Lots of dust, dirt, hair from our dog Beast, probably a little bit of the cat hair, and anything else that we track from outside after working on the farm. Here's what you get, and now that you've seen it, we're all clean and just have a couple more things to do.
We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, 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 do what you like to.
Thank you guys so much for being here and watching my videos, or for listening to me talk while you clean along with me. I hope you got lots of motivation and inspiration from me helping you start out your day, because that truly is my goal for you guys. To motivate you, inspire you, make you laugh, make you smile, and just to overall make you have a good day with all that I do. So again, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share our channel with other friends or family who would love to watch what I do, and then head over to our Instagram, Mrs. Jessica Savage, and give us a follow there as well. We definitely love to have you guys on both of our platforms. So I guess I will see you again right back here with a brand new video. Bye, you guys.